In today's digital world, networking has evolved. Traditional methods still play a role, but it's time to embrace Networking 2.0 for career success. Here are the top 5 strategies to help you stay ahead. 1. Virtual networking events. With the rise of remote work, virtual networking events have become the norm. Take advantage of online platforms to connect with professionals in your industry. Attend webinars, conferences, and workshops from the comfort of your home. These events provide opportunities to expand your network and gain valuable insights. 2. Social media networking. Social media platforms have transformed networking. LinkedIn is the go-to platform for professional connections. Build an impressive profile, engage with industry influencers, and join relevant groups. Don't underestimate the power of Twitter and Instagram either. Follow industry trends, participate in discussions, and showcase your expertise. 3. Personal branding. In 2024, personal branding will continue to be crucial. Establish yourself as an expert by creating valuable content. Start a blog, create videos, or contribute to industry publications. Showcase your achievements and skills on your website or portfolio. A strong personal brand will attract opportunities and help you stand out from the competition. 4. Networking with purpose. Networking is not just about collecting business cards. It's about building genuine relationships. Identify key individuals you want to connect with and reach out to them directly. Personalize your messages and show genuine interest in their work. Offer value by sharing insights, resources, or introducing them to others in your network. 5. Mentorship and coaching. Find mentors and coaches who can guide you in your career journey. They can provide valuable advice, open doors, and help you navigate challenges. Seek mentors within your organization, industry associations, or professional networks. Invest in mentorship programs or hire a career coach to accelerate your growth. Networking 2.0 is about leveraging technology, building your personal brand, and fostering meaningful connections. How does networking help your career? Networking is about building relationships that can open doors to new opportunities, insights, and collaborations. It can boost your confidence in professional settings, provide you with a support system and potential avenues for career transitions. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Cvmaker for more career-enhancing insights.